95 Scooter Guy. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 things I like about the 50cc Honda Dio scooter. So let's get into it. First thing I like about the scooter is the fuel consumption. This scooter has amazing fuel consumption. It has amazing fuel consumption. I've been using it for almost 3 months now, and I use an average of 4.5 liters for about 10 days. Isn't that economical? Second thing I like about the scooter is the fact that it is very easy to repair. Being a very old scooter, this was designed in 2011, the parts are very available and it is very easy to repair because repairers are familiar with the brand and they can easily repair any issue that you might have with it. What I like about this scooter is the fact that it's very compact, it's very easy, especially for first-time scooter rider. It's very easy to ride, it's not intimidating, and it's very easy to navigate those very, very tight corners, especially when in traffic. So those are the 3 things I like about my 50cc Honda Dio scooter. So if you want to buy one, I advise you to do your research and consider the Honda Dio scooter. It's an amazing scooter. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and comment. We'd like to hear from you. See you next time on the next one. Till then, stay safe and be good.